Welcome to Tech Factory, your ultimate destination for the latest in high-tech gadgets, futuristic vehicles, and next-level innovation. Buckle up, because today, we're diving into some mind-blowing creations that you won't believe exist. GOVA. Unleashing the future of mobility. Introducing GOVA, the incredible flying electric vehicle by GAC. This innovative creation is redefining urban transportation. GOVA combines advanced electric propulsion with vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities. It's designed to offer a seamless and eco-friendly solution to modern commuting challenges. The sleek, aerodynamic design enhances its performance, while intelligent navigation systems make it smarter. With autonomous flight technology, GOVA ensures a safe and efficient journey. This vehicle is perfect for navigating crowded cityscapes or reaching remote destinations. Whether for personal use or commercial purposes, GOVA makes every trip convenient and sustainable. GAC has set a new standard for air mobility with GOVA. It's paving the way for smarter, greener transportation for everyone. Rinspeed Snap. The Rinspeed Snap is a futuristic concept vehicle that redefines mobility. Its unique modular design sets it apart from anything else on the road. The Snap consists of two main parts: a skateboard chassis and a detachable pod. The chassis contains all the driving technology, while the pod serves as the passenger compartment. This modular system allows the pod to be easily swapped. It can transform into different spaces, like a self-driving car, a mobile office, an entertainment lounge, or even a delivery unit. Powered by an electric drivetrain, the Snap offers eco-friendly transportation. Its autonomous driving capabilities make it perfect for smart cities, focusing on efficiency and sustainability. Inside, passengers experience high-tech features, including smart displays, AI integration, and comfort-focused amenities. While the price of the Snap is not yet available, its innovative design and cutting-edge technology suggest it could be a premium investment. The Rinspeed Snap is more than just a vehicle. It's a glimpse into the future of travel in tomorrow's cities. POWERDOME. Imagine a stunning structure, a glass dome bathed in sunlight. Its transparent walls not only offer breathtaking views but also capture the energy of the sun. This is the POWERDOME, a solar-powered glass dome that stands as a marvel of modern engineering. It uses advanced technology to harness sunlight and convert it into clean electricity. The dome's curved design allows sunlight to reach deep into its interior. This illuminates the space naturally while powering various systems within. With its sleek and futuristic design, the POWERDOME isn't just beautiful, it's sustainable. It's a bold statement of human ingenuity and our dedication to a greener future. Solar-powered glass domes like the POWERDOME offer an eco-friendly solution for living or working spaces. They combine functionality with aesthetics, making them ideal for those who value sustainability and innovation. Toyota i-Road A, three-wheeled electric vehicle. The Toyota i-Road is a motorcycle-inspired, three-wheeled electric vehicle. Compact and emission-free, it's perfect for navigating urban environments. With a single charge, the i-Road can cover up to 50 kilometers, making it ideal for short city trips. Inside the i-Road, there's space for two people, seated one behind the other, maximizing space efficiency. To ensure a smooth and balanced ride, the vehicle uses an active lean system, which adjusts the angle of the front wheels relative to the body. One of the highlights of the i-Road is that it doesn't require a special license to drive. It's as simple as operating a car, with just a steering wheel and pedals. Toyota has tested the i-Road in various pilot projects across cities like Tokyo, Grenoble, and Singapore. However, it's still not commercially available. As for the price, official details are scarce, but early estimates suggest it could be priced around, insert estimated cost here. Northern Light 630. The Northern Light 630 is a premium electric bike designed for both city commutes and off-road adventures. It's equipped with a powerful motor and a long-lasting battery, giving you the speed and range to travel far without worrying about recharging. Whether you're navigating through the city or tackling rough trails, this bike ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. Its lightweight yet durable frame makes it easy to handle while staying strong enough to endure tough conditions. The advanced suspension and high-quality tires offer excellent comfort on any terrain, from paved roads to rocky paths. The bike also comes with an intuitive display that shows key information like speed, battery life, and other essential stats at a glance, making it easy to stay in control during your ride. The Northern Light 630 combines performance, reliability, and style, providing a top-tier riding experience. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the outdoors, this electric bike has you covered. Enjoy the freedom to ride anywhere with the Northern Light 630. ASAP Hybrid Helicopter. Groundbreaking aircraft concept. The ASAP Hybrid Helicopter is an innovative aircraft that combines the best of traditional helicopters with cutting-edge hybrid technology. This unique design uses both electric and conventional fuel power to improve efficiency, reduce emissions, and extend flight range. The ASAP Hybrid Helicopter is built for both civilian and military use. It features advanced propulsion systems that make it quieter and more eco-friendly compared to traditional helicopters. The hybrid technology reduces its environmental impact while maintaining the power and performance expected from modern aircraft. One of the standout features of the ASAP Hybrid Helicopter is its ability to take off and land vertically. This gives it unmatched versatility for a wide range of applications, including urban transportation, rescue missions, and exploration. The hybrid design marks a significant step toward more sustainable aviation. It brings together performance, flexibility, and eco-friendliness in a way that sets a new standard for future helicopters. B-Turtle Mono. The B-Turtle Mono is a game-changer for solo bike campers. This revolutionary bike trailer transforms into a comfortable micro-caravan for one person, offering a unique blend of mobility and convenience. Weighing just 25 kilograms, the B-Turtle Mono is lightweight and compact. It's designed for adventurers seeking freedom and comfort on their journeys. Its robust aluminum frame ensures durability, while the weatherproof design keeps you safe and dry, even in challenging conditions. Inside, you'll find a spacious sleeping area, handy storage compartments, and an awning for extra shade and protection. Setup is simple, and transporting it is a breeze. With this innovative trailer, you can explore the great outdoors while enjoying the comforts of a small home on the go. The B-Turtle Mono is currently priced at $3,739. It's the perfect companion for your next solo camping adventure.
The Helicat is a super cool mix of a helicopter and a catamaran. It's designed to zoom across the water, but also fly above it. Not only does it look awesome, but it's also built for speed and stability, even in choppy waters. It comfortably fits 3 people, but can hold up to 7, including the pilot. The cabin is waterproof, thanks to vinyl curtains that you can adjust as needed. You can choose between 2 engines, a 60-horsepower Yamaha that hits 31 miles per hour, or a 90-horsepower Honda that can go up to 44 miles per hour. The Helicat is 21 feet long, 10 feet wide, and weighs about 1.5 tons. It's perfect for water adventures, featuring gear for diving and fishing, like folding chairs, rod holders, and a fishing net. There's even an aluminum deck for diving. Sea Breacher is a shark-shaped watercraft that's part submarine, part jet ski. Despite its size, 16 feet long and weighing 350 pounds, it's incredibly agile.
Leva Kinetic Wall. The Leva Kinetic Wall is an extraordinary fusion of technology and art. It turns ordinary spaces into dynamic, interactive environments. This innovative wall is made up of moving panels that respond to human presence. As you approach, the panels create choreographed patterns and reveal hidden spaces. Using advanced computer vision and mechatronics, the wall seamlessly interacts with users. You can control its movements and uncover content or views behind it with ease. Leva Kinetic Walls are perfect for exhibitions, retail spaces, and public installations. They provide a unique, engaging experience that leaves a lasting impression. By blending creativity and innovation, Leva Kinetic Walls redefine architectural design. They bring life to spaces, captivating audiences in ways never seen before. Nikola Reckless LTATV. The Nikola Reckless LTATV is a groundbreaking electric lightweight tactical all-terrain vehicle designed specifically for military use. This vehicle comes packed with advanced features to enhance its functionality in combat and tactical situations. It's equipped with a powerful remote-controlled turret armed with a 7.62mm machine gun. This system allows soldiers to engage targets effectively while staying at a safe distance. The Reckless LTATV also includes a drone system for reconnaissance and surveillance missions. This capability provides critical intelligence from the field. One of its standout features is self-driving technology. The vehicle can navigate challenging terrains autonomously, making it highly reliable in complex environments. A large battery pack powers the LTATV, offering an impressive range and fast charging capabilities. This ensures the vehicle remains operational during demanding missions. With its cutting-edge technology and robust design, the Nikola Reckless LTATV redefines mobility and efficiency for military operations. Fiido D3 Pro. The Fiido D3 Pro is the perfect mini electric bike for urban commuting, priced at just €399. Weighing only 17.3 kilograms, it features a durable aluminum alloy frame and can carry up to 120 kilograms, making it a reliable choice for daily use. Powered by a 250W brushless geared motor, the D3 Pro offers smooth acceleration and a comfortable ride through the city. Its 280 watt-hours battery ensures efficient travel, and it charges easily with the included 36 volts 2A charger. The bike also features a 1.47-inch LCD display, giving you essential ride metrics at a glance. When it comes to safety, mechanical disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, while the CST 14-inch tires offer a smooth ride. With an ergonomic design and a vacuum-fit saddle, the Fiido D3 Pro perfectly balances practicality and comfort for city dwellers looking for a convenient, eco-friendly commute. Ungoverned Vendetta, the ultimate electric off-road powerboard. Meet the Ungoverned Vendetta, a powerful electric powerboard designed for extreme off-road adventures. This board uses a unique twin-tracked, tank-style design, giving it superior traction and stability on rugged terrain. The Vendetta's core strength lies in its centrally mounted, internal drive brushless hub motors, housed within the drive rollers. These motors are powered by a swappable Samsung lithium-ion battery, complete with an onboard battery management system. For a 165-pound rider, it provides an average runtime of 30 to 40 minutes on flat ground, reaching speeds between 12 and 16 miles per hour. But the Vendetta doesn't stop there. It can hit a top speed of 31 miles per hour. Despite its robust construction, it's relatively lightweight at 61.7 pounds, including the battery. Equipped with advanced features like independent traction control and puncture-proof tracks, this powerboard is built for challenging environments. It has a front and rear track drive system that enhances handling and stability on uneven surfaces. Bionic Boot. The Bionic Boot is a groundbreaking wearable technology designed to boost human speed and agility. Inspired by the natural movement of a cheetah, it was developed by Keith Seymour to revolutionize the way we run. Using powerful mechanical springs, these boots propel the wearer forward, enabling speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. They are perfect for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking for a thrilling and efficient way to enhance their running performance. With a lightweight and ergonomic design, the Bionic Boot ensures comfort and ease of use. Priced at around $2,500, this advanced footwear isn't just about faster movement. It's a leap forward in personal transportation, offering an exhilarating and futuristic running experience. Three-sided stadium, a cliffside marvel in Saudi Arabia. A breathtaking new design for the Qiddiya three-sided stadium in Saudi Arabia has been unveiled. Perched on a cliff with a stunning view of the Red Sea, this futuristic stadium is part of the ambitious Qiddiya Entertainment City project, which aims to transform the country's entertainment industry. What sets this stadium apart is its unique three-sided design, offering fans clear, panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, making the experience more immersive. The sleek, modern structure, with its sharp angles and gleaming white exterior, is set to become an architectural landmark in Saudi sports. The design brings fans closer to the action, creating an intimate atmosphere. At sunset, the stadium will glow with a dazzling light show over the Red Sea, promising an unforgettable experience for visitors and spectators alike. RYSE Recon, the future of ultralight flight. The RYSE Recon is an impressive US-made ultralight electric vehicle. Designed for agricultural and rural use, it offers vertical takeoff and landing, making it ideal for areas where traditional vehicles may struggle. This single-seat aircraft can reach speeds of up to 63 miles per hour, with a range of 25 miles per charge. It's powered by 640-volt electric motors and 100-volt direct current batteries. One of the standout features of the Recon is its simplicity. It's controlled with a joystick, so you don't need a pilot's license to operate it. The vehicle is built on a sturdy aluminum frame, though future versions will be made with lightweight carbon fiber. It complies with FAA's Part 103 ultralight category, which limits the weight to 254 pounds and restricts flights over populated areas. In terms of safety, the Recon is designed to protect the pilot. It offers crash protection of up to 8 gigaseconds and has several safety redundancies. During a test flight, the Recon hovered 10 feet above the ground, smoothly responding to altitude, speed, and directional commands.